So I just got this Sephora Favorites Hello. I think that's how they always name it. And these usually cost like $8 to $10. They had 3 different selections of this, but this is the one I chose. I don't know if here it tells me. I think it was A, B, and C. And I will leave the letter of this one here. So we're just gonna open it up and see. I think this is so cute, like to give for the holidays. It's so inexpensive. You get some really nice brands. I love this and some of these Sephora favorites. I hope they come out with a really good one. Beauty Big Shots. And before I open this up and show you what's in here, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. So let's see how many things did we get here. It tells you right here. They give you a coupon inside. So I guess if you like anything here and you want to buy the full size, you'll get 15% off. And it says only 1 voucher may be redeemed per online transaction. So you have here all the coupons. The first thing we have here is something from Dermalogica. Let me know if you love minis. I love minis. I think they're so cute. The Daily Microfoliant, and it's a 0.14 ounces. Smoothing Brightening Powder Exfoliant. Achieve brighter, smoother skin every day with this iconic exfoliating powder. Removes dulling surface debris and promotes a more even complexion. Dispense into hands, wet, and create a paste. Massage onto face. Rinse and avoid eye area. Alright, oh, this is great like for traveling. I've never seen something like this, so I will give it a try. I'll keep it in the shower and I'll let you know if it's even worth buying the full size of this, but that's really cool. I don't think I've ever bought anything from the brand Dermalogica. The brand Fresh, and this is the Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. This is a 0.23 ounce. Look how adorable that is. Seriously, that's so cute. I've been wanting to try a lot of things from that brand, Fresh. Looks so fancy and nice. That is a gorgeous blue, isn't it? This is applied to clean skin before bed. Can be used nightly. Dream Face Cream. Let's see. It smells nice. It smells fresh. So I can't wait to do that in the nighttime. Let's see how well it works. And we have here a volumizing mascara. This is from the brand Tarte, called Surfer Curl. Wave hello to effortless volume. Formulated for eye-opening volume and curl. Vitamin E, mineral pigments, ophthalmologist tested, cruelty-free, and vegan. So you guys may know or not, I use waterproof mascaras. This is not waterproof, so I'll be very happy to include this in a giveaway coming soon. This from the brand Amika. This is a dry shampoo. It's called Perk Up. 0.75 ounce. This is so cool. If you love dry shampoo, if you use it, this is a beautiful size. I really love this brand Amika. I mean, this is a talc-free style reviver. Removes excess oil buildup, leaving your hair instantly clean and refreshed. Okay, shake well. Sprayed 8 inches away from roots, and then you massage your scalp. Pretty sure you guys know how dry shampoo works, but yeah, let me spray it, see if it has any scent. I don't know, probably not, or I would have smelled it already. I don't know, but let me know. Do you use this brand? Do you like it? I really enjoy it. A makeup eraser. So this is erase all makeup with just water. Contains 1 makeup eraser sample. Equals to 3,600 makeup wipes. I've seen this so many times. I've just never thought about picking it up. It says free of oils, free of alcohol, free of dyes, parabens, fragrances, and sulfates. Made in China. I don't know. Alright, so I don't know if I will keep this or I will also include it in a giveaway, so I don't want to open it much. But these two I will reserve for somebody else. We have here a perfume from Valentino Donna. It's called Born in Roma. I've mentioned it before, especially when I do my perfume favorites. I really want the big size of this badly. I just got one from Valentino. I believe it's called Yellow Dream. But I've wanted this so bad. So actually, I have not put a perfume today. So I'm going to go ahead and put this. Oh, I just love it. Really want to purchase the big size. And actually, let me see. Do they have it here? Yeah. So if I were to purchase this big size, I would get a 15% off. I am going to be on the lookout for like the Sephora Favorites to see if there's anything good. They come out with like Sephora Favorites Luxe. I think that looks pretty nice. Leave it in the description. Don't forget to check it out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.